Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to remove friend on Snapchat. The process is really short and straightforward. Let's get started. So first of all, open Snapchat on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. This is the camera of Snapchat. From here, you'll have to go to your chat box. So for that, tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. It is right beside the search icon. As you can see on the screen, here's my chat box. On the chat box, you'll simply have to find the profile of the friend you want to remove. After you do that, you'll have to long press on the person's profile. And you'll see this menu on your screen. On this menu, you have to tap on Manage Friendship option. Then here tap on Remove Friend. And on this confirmation menu, tap on Remove. So as you can see on the screen, the person has been removed as my friend. That is, the person has been unfriended from my profile. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.